Hello Hawks, it's Mrs. Ferguson in the Career Center, and this is how to find documents in the Naviance Student Document Library. In the Naviance Student Document Library, we will be putting things like PowerPoint presentations, handouts that we give you when the counselors come and do lessons in your rooms, and when you get to senior year, important forms that you'll need to use when you're applying to college. To access Naviance Student, you're going to click on Blackboard, and you're going to log into Blackboard. Once you're on your main Blackboard page, you're going to look down in the bottom left-hand corner, and you'll see a link that says, click here for Naviance Student. That takes you to the main Naviance Student website. From the main site, you're going to scroll down to Document Resources and click here. In Document Resources, you will find different folders. For our class of 2019, if they open the folder, there we go. They can see all of the handouts and all of the PowerPoints that we've done for them over the last few years. Every time we do a classroom lesson, we will make sure that we put the handouts and the PowerPoints in this folder so that students can access them later, or so that parents can view the PowerPoint that we did with them during the day. There are some resume writing resources in here. There's some career information and even some test preparation resources. Again, that is the Naviance Student Document Resource.